Wow, who would have thought that something as simple as mixing water with baking soda could have so many effects on our health and well-being? This grandmother's remedy, which many have forgotten in their pantry, is actually a powerful ally for longevity and healthy aging. Over the years, science has been discovering the multiple benefits of this simple mixture, from relieving digestive problems to enhancing our physical performance, thus contributing to a better quality of life for those in their third age. Before diving into the details, it's important to understand that baking soda is not a miracle cure, but rather one more tool in our arsenal to maintain health as we age. As we'll see, this alkaline compound interacts with our body in fascinating ways, balancing acidity and supporting various bodily functions. However, like everything in life, its use requires moderation and knowledge. Let's discover together how this white powder can become an ally for your daily well-being. You're concerned about maintaining your independence and enjoying a fulfilling old age. Don't miss a single detail of what we're about to share. If you find this information valuable, please give this video a like. Instant relief for heartburn. When your stomach rebels and that burning sensation rises up your chest, baking soda acts like a true firefighter putting out the flames. And how does it do this? Well, this white powder is tremendously alkaline, and when it comes into contact with stomach acid, boom, it neutralizes it immediately, forming water, salt, and carbon dioxide. It's like two dancers meeting on the floor. The acid and bicarbonate dance together and transform. A recent study published in BMJ Open Gastroenterology confirmed what our grandmothers already knew. Waters rich in bicarbonate relieve heartburn much faster than a placebo. Not bad for such a simple remedy. That said, be careful not to overuse it, as it could mask more serious problems and cause electrolyte imbalances. If you're looking to improve your well-being and quality of life, especially in your third age, this little trick can be of great help. The ability to quickly relieve discomfort contributes significantly to maintaining your independence and happiness. A shield for your kidneys. How marvelous our body works, especially when we talk about the kidneys, those tireless filters that work day and night. For those suffering from chronic kidney disease, baking soda can be a true ally in their well-being. Why? Because it helps neutralize excess acids in the blood, a condition known as metabolic acidosis that is common in people with kidney insufficiency. It's like giving the kidneys an assistant to lighten their load. A meta-analysis published in 2021 in Frontiers in Pharmacology showed that patients with kidney disease who took bicarbonate experienced slower kidney decline and better acid-base balance. What hope for those seeking to maintain their kidney health? But beware, this is not something to self-medicate with. Excess sodium can worsen hypertension and cause fluid retention, affecting your independence. That's why it should always be used under medical supervision, especially for the elderly. Maintaining kidney health is crucial for longevity and enjoying a high quality of life in your later years. Fighting urinary tract infections. Urinary tract infections can be a real headache, right? Especially for our dear grandmothers and women in their third age. Well, water with baking soda has an ace up its sleeve for this common problem. When you drink it, it alkalizes the urine, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria like E. coli, which prefer acidic environments to multiply. It's like changing the climate of their favorite habitat. A study published in the International Urogynecology Journal showed that women who used bicarbonate managed to raise the pH of their urine and experienced a notable improvement in symptoms such as burning, urgency, and discomfort. What a relief to have such a simple remedy to improve our quality of life. Although, of course, it doesn't replace antibiotics when they're necessary. It's simply a complement that can help alleviate symptoms while medical treatment does its work. For healthy aging, these small tricks can make a big difference. Don't you think it's worth sharing this information with someone who might be suffering right now? Enhancing your physical performance. Oh, how hard it can be sometimes to keep up the pace at the gym. But here comes baking soda to rescue your exercise routine. During intense exercise, our muscles produce lactic acid, that villain that makes us feel that burning sensation and fatigue. Bicarbonate acts like a superhero, neutralizing that acid and allowing us to train for longer. It's like having a second wind. A study from the International Society of Sports Nutrition revealed that athletes who took bicarbonate before training had better performance and less fatigue. Isn't that fascinating? For those seeking to maintain their independence and health in their third age, regular exercise is fundamental, and this little trick can make it more bearable. The recommended dose is 0.2 to 0.5 g per kilogram of body weight, approximately 1 hour before exercise. But be careful. Don't overdo it because it could cause stomach discomfort. The last thing we want is for you to end up with gas in the middle of your spinning class. Exercise is key to healthy aging, so any help is welcome. Have you noticed a difference in your performance when using bicarbonate? Goodbye to bad breath. Have you ever been in an important meeting and suddenly worried if your breath is fresh? Bad breath can be a real saboteur of confidence and social relationships, affecting our quality of life. But don't worry. Baking soda comes to the rescue again. When you gargle with water and bicarbonate, you're raising the pH of your mouth, creating a less favorable environment for the bacteria that cause bad odor. It's like cleaning the house and opening the windows to let fresh air in. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry confirmed that rinsing with bicarbonate effectively increases oral pH and reduces bad breath. What a relief. This simple remedy can be especially useful for older people who use dentures or have dry mouth, common problems in the third age that can worsen breath. Maintaining good oral hygiene is a fundamental part of general well-being and contributes to healthy aging. Plus, who doesn't want to feel confident when leaning in to kiss their grandchildren? If you found this tip helpful, please like this video and share it with anyone you think might need it. Relieving gout pain. Oh, those sharp pains in the joints that characterize gout. Anyone who has experienced them knows they can be tremendously limiting to independence and quality of life. The good news is that baking soda can help alleviate these symptoms. How? Well, it turns out it makes uric acid more soluble, facilitating its elimination through urine. It's like building a slide for those annoying crystals to exit the body more easily. A recent study published in the British Journal of Hospital Medicine showed that patients with gout who used bicarbonate had less accumulation of uric acid crystals. What a relief for those suffering from this condition. For our friends in their third age, who often deal with joint problems, this simple remedy can mean the difference between staying at home or going out to enjoy life. Healthy aging involves maintaining mobility and reducing pain, and every little bit of help counts. The ability to move without pain is essential for independence and happiness in later years. Balancing your body's pH. Our body is like a symphony orchestra, where each instrument must be perfectly tuned. The acid-base balance is one of those crucial tunings for the melody of our health to sound harmonious. Baking soda helps maintain this delicate balance, especially after consuming acidic foods or performing intense exercises. It's like an orchestra conductor ensuring that everything works in harmony. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry demonstrated that water rich in bicarbonate increases urinary pH and reduces acid excretion. Isn't it fascinating how something so simple can have such profound effects? For those seeking longevity and well-being, maintaining this balance is fundamental. A body that's too acidic can be fertile ground for various diseases, while a balanced pH favors the optimal functioning of cells and organs. It's especially important in the third age, when our regulatory systems may become less efficient. Have you noticed how you feel after a very acidic meal? If this information is helping you understand your body better, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips. Relief for your muscles. After exercise. What pain we sometimes feel after a good exercise session. Those aches that remind us of every movement the next day can be discouraging, especially when we're committed to maintaining healthy habits in our third age. This is where baking soda shines again. By neutralizing the acids accumulated in the muscles, it accelerates recovery and significantly reduces post-exercise pain. It's like giving your muscles a spa treatment after hard work. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition confirmed that supplementation with bicarbonate after intense exercise reduces muscle pain and accelerates recovery. What a wonder for those who want to stay active without suffering the consequences. For our friends seeking healthy aging, this means being able to maintain a constant exercise routine without pain being an impediment. Regular physical activity is one of the pillars of longevity and independence in the third age, so any help to maintain it is pure gold. The ability to recover quickly from exercise encourages consistency, which is key to maintaining health and vitality as we age. Quick relief for indigestion. Oh, that feeling of heaviness after a copious meal. Indigestion can ruin a perfect evening and affect our quality of life. Fortunately, baking soda acts as an efficient firefighter, quickly neutralizing excess acid in the stomach and relieving symptoms such as bloating, nausea, and gas. It's like a reset for your digestive system. The American Journal of Gastroenterology has highlighted the rapid effect of bicarbonate for occasional digestive discomforts. For our dear friends in their third age, who often experience changes in their digestive system, this simple remedy can be a blessing. Healthy digestion is fundamental for general well-being and contributes significantly to longevity. Besides, who wants to spend hours feeling bad after enjoying a good meal with family? Life is too short to waste it with avoidable discomforts. This small trick can help you maintain your independence and fully enjoy gastronomic pleasures without fear of consequences. Digestive comfort is an often overlooked aspect of quality of life, but it can make a tremendous difference in daily happiness. A potential ally against cancer. How fascinating to discover that something as simple as baking soda could have implications in the fight against a disease as complex as cancer. Tumors thrive in acidic environments, and bicarbonate, by alkalizing the tumor microenvironment, could hinder their progress. It's like changing the playing field so the opposing team has a disadvantage. Research published in Cancer Research showed that, in mice, bicarbonate reduced cancer progression by alkalizing the tumor environment. What hope for the future of treatments? However, it's crucial to understand that these studies are still in early phases and bicarbonate does not at all replace conventional medical treatments. For those concerned about their health and longevity, especially in the third age when cancer risk increases, this information should be taken with caution and always under medical supervision. Science constantly advances in the search to improve our quality of life and find new ways to combat diseases. The potential for natural substances to complement traditional treatments offers hope for more holistic approaches to health in the future. A mild antiseptic for mouth and throat, those annoying mouth ulcers and sores that make us suffer when eating or talking. To relieve these small but painful problems, baking soda acts as a mild antiseptic that can make a big difference in our daily well-being. Rinses with water and bicarbonate relieve canker sores, ulcers, and mild irritations, reducing acidity and slowing bacterial proliferation. It's like a deep cleaning that also calms pain. The Journal of the American Dental Association has confirmed that rinses with bicarbonate reduce irritation and accelerate the healing of oral wounds. For our friends in the third age, who may be more prone to oral problems due to changes in saliva or side effects of medications, this simple remedy can significantly improve their quality of life. A healthy mouth contributes to general well-being and allows full enjoyment of food, something fundamental to maintaining good nutrition and therefore health in aging. The ability to eat comfortably and speak without pain contributes enormously to social interaction and overall happiness in later years. Relief for skin irritations and itching. How desperate that unceasing itch can be, whether from sunburn, insect bites, or conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Skin discomfort can seriously affect our quality of life and well-being. This is where baking soda once again demonstrates its versatility. Baths or compresses with bicarbonate effectively relieve itching and skin irritations. It's like a refreshing balm for irritated skin. The Journal of Dermatological Treatment has published studies showing that baths with bicarbonate significantly improve the symptoms of chronic skin diseases. For our friends in the third age, whose skin becomes more sensitive and delicate with the years, this natural remedy can be especially beneficial. Maintaining skin health is an integral part of healthy aging and contributes to our independence and self-esteem. Additionally, avoiding excessive use of topical medications that can have side effects is always an advantage. Comfortable skin is not just about appearance. It directly impacts how we feel and our ability to engage comfortably in daily activities, which is essential for maintaining independence and quality of life. The correct way to prepare it. Now that we know all these wonderful benefits, let's get practical. Preparing water with bicarbonate correctly is key to taking advantage of its properties without health risks. The process is very simple. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of filtered water, about 200 milliliters. Make sure to mix well until it completely dissolves. And that's it. For best results, drink it preferably on an empty stomach or 1 to 2 hours after meals. Watch out. Don't exceed 1 glass a day and don't use it for prolonged periods without consulting a health professional. It's like those grandmother's recipes, simple but with their tricks and precautions. For those seeking healthy habits that contribute to their longevity and well-being, it's important to follow these instructions to the letter. The correct dose can make the difference between experiencing benefits or adverse effects. Remember that in the third age, our body may be more sensitive to certain compounds, so moderation is key. If you're finding this practical information helpful, please like this video and share it with your loved ones who could benefit. Important precautions to keep in mind. Hold on. Before running to prepare your glass of water with bicarbonate, it's fundamental that you know who should avoid this remedy. Not all that glitters is gold, and not all bodies react the same to the same treatments. People with hypertension, kidney or heart problems, or those who must restrict sodium in their diet, should abstain from using this remedy. It's also contraindicated for pregnant women, nursing mothers, and those who take medications continuously, as it can interact with antacids, antibiotics, and other drugs. What a mess if we're not careful. Excess can cause metabolic alkalosis, electrolyte imbalance, swelling, increased blood pressure, and gastric discomfort. For our friends in the third age who often take several medications and may have pre-existing conditions, it's especially important to consult with a health professional before starting any new remedy, however natural it may be. Independence at this stage of life also means making informed decisions about our health. Taking responsibility for our well-being includes knowing when to seek professional guidance. Supporting immune function. Did you know that baking soda might also play a role in supporting your immune system? Recent research has begun exploring how bicarbonate can influence immune responses in the body. A study published in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking water with baking soda may help reduce inflammation by influencing the cells that regulate the immune response. It's like sending a message to your immune system to calm down when it's overreacting. This could be particularly beneficial for older adults, as aging is often associated with chronic low-grade inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging, which contributes to many age-related diseases. By potentially helping to modulate this inflammation, bicarbonate might support healthy aging and longevity. Of course, more research is needed, but these preliminary findings are certainly intriguing. Maintaining a strong immune system is crucial for independence and quality of life as we age, allowing us to stay active and engaged with life. If you're finding these insights valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips. Improving digestive enzyme function. Our digestive system is like a complex factory, and as we age, production can sometimes slow down. Baking soda may help optimize this factory's operations. When we consume bicarbonate, it can temporarily increase the pH of the stomach, which might seem counterproductive for digestion. However, this change can actually stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, improving the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle nudge to work more efficiently. For our friends in their third age who often experience decreased digestive enzyme production, this could mean better nutrient absorption and less digestive discomfort. A study in the International Journal of Gastroenterology noted that appropriate bicarbonate levels can help optimize pancreatic enzyme function. Better digestion means more energy and vitality, contributing significantly to quality of life and independence. Proper nutrition is a cornerstone of healthy aging, and anything that helps our bodies make the most of the nutrients we consume is valuable for longevity and well-being. Potential benefits for bone health. As we journey through life, maintaining strong bones becomes increasingly important for our independence and quality of life. Interestingly, baking soda might have a role to play in supporting bone health too. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism suggests that alkaline substances like bicarbonate may help reduce calcium loss from bones. How does this work? When our body becomes too acidic, which can happen from modern diets high in protein and grains, it may leach calcium from bones to neutralize this acidity. By providing an alkaline substance like bicarbonate, we might reduce this need, potentially preserving bone density. It's like providing an alternative source of alkalinity so your bones can keep their precious calcium. For those in their third age, When bone density naturally decreases, this could be particularly significant. While bicarbonate is not a replacement for calcium, vitamin D, and weight-bearing exercise, it might be a helpful addition to a comprehensive approach to bone health, supporting mobility and independence throughout the aging process. Enhancing cognitive function. Could something as simple as baking soda potentially support brain health? While research is still emerging, there are interesting connections between pH balance and cognitive function. Our brain is incredibly sensitive to changes in pH, and maintaining proper acid-base balance is crucial for optimal neural activity. Some preliminary studies suggest that mild metabolic acidosis, which bicarbonate helps counteract, might be associated with cognitive decline in older adults. By helping to maintain proper pH balance in the body, bicarbonate could potentially support brain health and cognitive function. It's like ensuring your brain's environment is optimally tuned for peak performance. For those concerned about maintaining mental sharpness and independence in their third age, this potential benefit is certainly worth noting. While bicarbonate is not a brain booster in the traditional sense, its role in maintaining overall physiological balance might indirectly support cognitive health. Keeping our minds active and sharp is a crucial aspect of healthy aging and maintaining quality of life as we grow older. If you're finding these insights valuable, please give this video a like. Supporting liver detoxification. Our liver works tirelessly as the body's primary detoxification center, and maintaining its health is crucial for longevity and well-being. Interestingly, baking soda may offer some support for this vital organ. The liver's detoxification processes can generate acid, and bicarbonate helps neutralize this acid, potentially easing the burden on the liver. It's like providing your hardworking liver with a helping hand. Additionally, by helping maintain proper pH balance throughout the body, bicarbonate creates an environment where the liver can function more efficiently. A study in the Journal of Hepatology noted that bicarbonate supplementation might help protect liver cells from certain types of damage. For our friends in their third age, when liver function may naturally decline, this support could be particularly valuable. A healthy liver contributes to better energy levels, clearer skin, improved digestion, and overall vitality, all important factors for maintaining independence and quality of life as we age. Supporting our body's natural detoxification processes is an often overlooked aspect of healthy aging. Alleviating symptoms of respiratory conditions. Take a deep breath. Here's another potential benefit of baking soda. For those suffering from respiratory conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or asthma, bicarbonate might offer some relief. How? The lungs are constantly working to maintain acid-base balance, and conditions that cause respiratory acidosis can benefit from alkaline substances like bicarbonate. Some studies suggest that bicarbonate supplementation might help improve respiratory muscle function and reduce breathlessness in certain conditions. It's like giving your respiratory system a little extra buffer against acidity. For our friends in their third age, when respiratory conditions become more common, this could translate to easier breathing and better quality of life. A small study published in Respiratory Medicine found that bicarbonate supplementation improved exercise capacity in patients with COPD. While it's not a replacement for prescribed medications or oxygen therapy, it might be a helpful complementary approach. The ability to breathe comfortably is fundamental to independence and enjoying daily activities, making this potential benefit particularly relevant for healthy aging. Potential aid for diabetes management. Managing blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important as we age, and baking soda might have an interesting role to play here too. Some preliminary research suggests that bicarbonate supplementation might help improve insulin sensitivity, the body's ability to respond to insulin and regulate blood sugar effectively. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that bicarbonate supplementation improved insulin response in a small group of participants. It's like helping your body's glucose management system work more efficiently. For those in their third age, when the risk of type 2 diabetes increases, this could be a valuable addition to a comprehensive approach to blood sugar management. Of course, bicarbonate is not a replacement for proper diet, exercise, weight management, and prescribed medications, but it might offer additional support. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for longevity, energy levels, and preventing complications that could impact independence and quality of life. As always, anyone with diabetes should consult their healthcare provider before trying new supplements. Enhancing the effects of exercise for longevity. Exercise is perhaps the most powerful tool we have for healthy aging, and baking soda might help us get even more benefits from our workouts. Beyond the performance-enhancing effects we discussed earlier, regular exercise combined with bicarbonate supplementation might offer synergistic benefits for longevity. Exercise naturally creates an acidic environment in the body temporarily, and bicarbonate helps buffer this acidity, potentially allowing for more effective recovery and adaptation. It's like maximizing the return on your exercise investment. A study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that participants who took bicarbonate before high-intensity interval training showed greater improvements in mitochondrial function, the powerhouses of our cells that are crucial for energy production and healthy aging. For our friends in their third age, this could mean getting more longevity benefits from each workout, supporting independence and quality of life for years to come. The combination of regular physical activity and strategic bicarbonate use might be particularly powerful for maintaining muscle mass, cardiovascular health, and metabolic function as we age. Summarizing the benefits and precautions. What a fascinating journey we've taken through the benefits of water with bicarbonate. We've discovered how this simple remedy can relieve heartburn, support kidney function, combat urinary tract infections, improve physical performance, eliminate bad breath, alleviate gout pain, balance body pH, reduce muscle pain, calm indigestion, potentially help in cancer therapies, act as an antiseptic, relieve skin irritations, support immune function, enhance digestion, benefit bone health, support cognitive function, aid liver detoxification, alleviate respiratory symptoms, help with diabetes management, and enhance exercise benefits for longevity. What an impressive list of health and well-being benefits. However, as we've seen, its use should be moderate, occasional, and always with medical guidance, especially for people with certain health conditions. It's like those powerful tools that, well used, can be of great help, but misused can cause damage. For those seeking healthy aging and maintaining their independence in their third age, this knowledge is valuable, provided it's applied with prudence. Longevity isn't just about living more years, but about living them with quality of life and happiness. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss future content about health and well-being.